Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video, I will actually be going ahead and sharing with you my top 5 under 500 from Amazon. I have included something related to hair, fragrance, fashion, accessory and your everyday essential. So if you want to know what all products do I have in my top 5 under 500 from Amazon, then please keep on watching the video till the end. And if you are someone who is new to my channel and if you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. Just hit that red subscribe button, it's for free, and be a part of my tiny little family right here on YouTube. And without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first thing that I have under 500 from Amazon is this product right here. This is the Dove Original Stick Antiperspirant Deodorant, and this again retails for $2.99, which I think is absolutely worth it. I absolutely love this product. Again, I don't like to have that sticky or wet underarm feeling, and hence I prefer using this bar, which is solid and it's not that liquidy texture, so I don't have to go ahead and like wipe it off. But then again, this lasts you for a very long time and it keeps you odor free as well. This is something that you need to have, and all throughout the year I have actually been using this Dove bar and I absolutely love it. I have not had any itchiness or any rashes or any irritation with this particular product, but I have had irritation with the liquid roll-ons that I have used in the past, maybe because of the fragrance or I'm not sure. But then yes, liquid roll-ons never worked for me, so I usually prefer this solid bar for my underarms. Alright, so the second product under 500 from Amazon is this one right here. This is the Yellow Chimes stud earrings for women, and this retails for 479 rupees. Again, I actually had called in for a golden accessories, but then I actually got this one, which is a silver one, but then I don't mind at all because I have a lot of golden jewelry, because I prefer golden jewelry. But then I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and keep this and not return this. So this is what the packaging looks like, and you get this little card that you see right here from this brand. They are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Ajio, Myntra and Nykaa as well, so you can definitely check that out. Like, I have actually placed a couple of studs from here. I personally love the chain detailing that this earrings have, and you can actually use this in very different ways or multiple different ways. So I think for the price that you pay, it is definitely worth it. Plus it comes in a very beautiful packaging as well, in a sturdy box, which kind of keeps your product damage free. Okay, so the third product under 500 from Amazon is this one right here. This is the May Create Heatless Hair Curlers that I got, and this retails for 468. I have actually kept it in this container that I had. Alright, so you get total 12 pieces or 12 curlers in this, and it comes with this hair clips as well. I am actually not a pro when it comes to my hair or blow drying my hair, but I have actually been trying to go ahead and use this roll-ons. So this is the bigger size, then you have like a medium, and this is like the small size. So these are the 3 different sizes that you get in this hair curler. So the fourth product under 500 from Amazon is this one right here. This is the ABTRX or Abetrix with Abe leather travel makeup bag or pouch, open flat toiletry bag makeup organizer with divider and handle. This retails for $2.99, which I think is a steal. And I carry this whenever I travel. It holds all of my makeup, skincare product as well. Recently I went to Madras, so I carried everything in this particular pouch right here, like my makeup, my skincare products. It was all in here, and I absolutely love that it comes with a handle, and all you have to do is just open this up and lay it on any flat surface. you have all of these different compartments. Even now I have my skincare products that I have kept in here. I have my micellar water, then my plum. There's a lot in here if you see. And yes, I actually stained this pouch because of the lip stain that I had in this, so that is kind of an unfortunate situation. But then yes, it holds a lot of your products. I still have so much in here. Oh, I dropped it. All right, so I still have so much product in here. So if you are always on the go, and if you need something, or if you're planning to go out on a travel or a vacation and you need something that can hold all of your essentials together, I think you should consider getting your hands on this again. Alright, so for my last product and my fifth under 500 from Amazon is this one right here. This is the Cassi Looks high waist trousers for women, flared Korean style formal pants. And let me tell you, this retails for $4.99. So I have got myself one in color black. Then I also have one in brown, and then this is something that I recently ordered. I had actually initially called in for a gray pant, but then the gray pant was size 28. I called in for 30, but they sent me size 28, and when I went to exchange or replace, that size was not available in gray color, so I had to pick this one. I had also called in for a coffee colored pant, but then it was too loose, so I gave it to one of my friends. I am actually in love with these pants. They are so good. For the price that you pay for $4.99, I think these pants are absolutely worth it. The material is thick, it is not cheap at all. The fitting and everything is perfect. So I think if you are on a hunt for a good budget affordable pants and something that will give you that chic look for your work or your office, then this is something that you should definitely look for. This brand called Cassi Looks actually has a lot of good stuffs that they sell online, so you should definitely check it out. Okay, so that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did like it, then please give this video a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.